I talk like an English lady. Good day, sir.
Oh, it is fine. So do I. I mean, I don't talk like a lady.
Ha 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 ha. It is fine. Want to fuck?
What is fuck?
Intercourse. I put my straw in your beef patties. I think it will feel good. Then I burst all over your face. It will be rather extraordinary.
I don't know, sounds scary. Can we use protection?
How would we do that?
I think I have some condiments. Oh, tomatoes. I left them in the kitchen. I'm going to go get them.
Wait, I have AIDS.
So did the cow that I was made from.